Today we're down at Jaguar Land Rover Canary Wharf, securing this vehicle in their handover bay before the customer picks it up. So with this, the customer's opted for a StarLine i96 Pro. So if someone grabbed the key and went to steal the vehicle, they'll manage to get it started, which also means you can keep your preheat, your remote start. The vehicle goes to ready, but when we select a gear, it goes from ready to off. See, the dash is switched off, it's come out of ready mode, and they're unable to drive it away. So for the customer, they can choose from having a push sequence. So start it, 1, 2, 3 for the video, hear a tone, and drive away. Or they can just have a phone paired up, so have their Bluetooth on with its adjustable range. They start the car, hear that tone, and drive off straight away. No need to wait and do your push sequence. In the future, they can also opt for a tag if they want to put it on their keys, have it as simple as possible. But if someone tried to steal this, no phones, tags, or the code, they start it up, like they've just done a relay attack on this key, for instance, pop it into gear, we'll do reverse this time, the vehicle switches off. To get one of these fitted, you can visit our website, immobiliserfit.com, to book your installation, or you can give us a call on 0208 212 7393 to secure your vehicle. Once again, we're down at the Land Rover main dealer in Canary Wharf, protecting this vehicle before the customer collects it. To get one of these fitted, our number is 0208 212 7393, and this system is the StarLine i96 Pro.